Today we're going to be going over how to use a Baselit LED Lightsaber from Xtra Life Toys Games.
In our last video, we covered the XenoPixel V3, how to use it, and a whole whack of the cool features that come preloaded on that soundboard. If you're looking to pick yourself up a XenoPixel, go check out that video. If you already have a XenoPixel, go check out that video. Link will be in the description. Later in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can win your very own lightsaber, just like these ones, so stay to the end. Starting off the Baselit tutorial, tapping the button once is going to fire your saber up. Hitting the button once while the saber's on will initiate blaster effect. Holding the button so it flashes twice is going to start your color change cycle. As you can see here, the saber is cycling through all the different colors of the rainbow. When you are satisfied and you find a color that you like, tapping the button once will select this color. This will save the color to the sound font. Holding the button is what's going to turn your blade off. Now, while your saber is turned off, if you hold the button for one flash, this is what's going to control your volume. 2 flashes while the blade is off is going to cycle through the different blade types that the Baselit LED has to offer.
Pulse. Steady.
While the saber's turned off, holding the button for 4 flashes is what's going to turn on and off your flash on clash. What this means is when your saber hits an object, it's going to flash just like in the movies. Here are a couple examples of the saber flashing when something hits it. Holding the button for 5 flashes while the saber's off is going to turn on and off your motion control.
Motion control on.
To change your lightsaber's sound font, hold the button for 6 flashes while it's turned off. A lightsaber sound font is a compilation of lightsaber sound effects saved onto the soundboard. By twisting the saber while it's turned on, this is going to initiate the motion control on and off. When the saber's turned off, if you turn it upside down and pull it towards you, this is going to change your sound font. Baselit LEDs come equipped with 16 sound fonts, and they have a spot to put an SD card to add more. And that's most of the features that you can do with the Baselit LED lightsabers. Although you can pair them to your phone and control most of those things from the app. This here is a clip from one of our other videos showing you all of the different things that the app can do. Keep in mind this is just the Baselit LED version. Once you get into the XenoPixels, Gold Harvest, and Profi boards, the features and customization is pretty much endless. So make sure you check out those other videos to see how awesome those soundboards are.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to enter our lightsaber giveaway. More information about that on our channel page. Hit that like button, share with your friends, and comment what you think the coolest lightsaber in all of Star Wars is. When you're ready to grab your very own battle-ready lightsaber, visit xtralifetg.com and use code FREESHIP at checkout to save on your order. May the Force be with you.